Welcome and namaste. Happy Wednesday, my dear friends. Let's awaken the body and mind from the inside out so we can begin our day with clear and positive energy. Ready? Let's get started. We will begin our practice today on our backs. So coming all the way down into a lying position, bring soles of your feet to touch and allow your knees to fall apart. Bring one hand to your belly, one hand to your heart. Close your eyes and relax the entire body. Begin to tune your awareness inward and ignite your breath. Taking deep belly breaths in and out. Inhale, fill up your belly, your chest, and exhaling gently out of your nose. Keep breathing in and out through your nose. And as you're connecting to the present moment by igniting your breath, take this opportunity to set a little intention for the day ahead of you. How would you like your day to look like today? And then, using the power of your breath, let this intention to set a tone for your day. Take a full deep breath in and then open mouth side out, releasing your intentions to the universe. Gently open your eyes, close your knees toward each other like you're closing a book, and then hug both of your knees to your chest and gently sway side to side, massaging the entire spine. Then extend the left leg long out in front of you, hugging the right knee into your chest. Bring that knee as close as you can to your right shoulder. Activate your toes. Take a breath in. And as you exhale, we're going to bring that right knee across your body all the way to your left side. As you're opening your right arm to the side, easy supine twist. Gaze over your right shoulder. Take a full cycle of breath. Inhale. Exhale. Slowly guide the knee back to center. And then I want you to interlace your fingers below your knee or behind your calf as you're extending the right leg all the way skyward, flexing onto the right foot, and begin to find micro pulses as you're bringing that leg closer and closer towards you, waking up our hamstring. Breathing to the back of our leg. Inhale to create space. And exhale, allow yourself to move into that new space. Take a breath in. Pause. Find stillness. And as you exhale, bring that leg a little closer towards you as you're opening both of your elbows to the side. Beautiful. Rebend into the right knee. Grab behind your thigh, lift your shoulders up and lift your left leg up. Extend the arms in front of you. Let's ignite our core. And then go ahead and switch left knee to chest. Extend the right leg. Switch right knee to chest and then left knee to chest. And breathe. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. See if you can lift your shoulder blades a little bit higher. Keep going and breathing. Let's do two more. Last one. Holding that left knee to your chest. Interlock the fingers behind your thigh. Lower the right heel down. Lower the shoulder blades back down. Now bring that left knee as close as you can to your left shoulder. Take a breath in. And as you exhale, bring that knee across your body all the way to the right. Open your left arm to the side, finding a simple supine twist. Keep both of your shoulders grounded to your mat. Take a full cycle of breath. Inhale. Exhale. Guide the knee back to chest. Interlock your fingers behind that left leg and extend your heel all the way skyward. Activate your toes and begin with micro pulses, bringing that knee closer and closer towards your chest. Breathing into your sensations. Tuning inward. One more breath. And then find a complete stillness. Bring that leg as close as possible. Open the elbows out to the side. Take a full cycle of breath. Inhale. Exhale. Rebend into that left knee. Grab behind your thigh. Lift the shoulder blades up. Squeeze the lower back deep into the mat. And then lift your right heel up, hovering. Beautiful. Extend the arms in front of you. Activate your core and then switch right knee to chest, left knee to chest, right and left. Move with the breath. Inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale. Lift the shoulder blades a little bit higher. Good job. Let's do 2 more. Last one, and then hug both of your knees into your chest. Relax your shoulders back to the mat and a little bit sway side to side. Place both of your feet down, coming into bridge pose. Touch your heels with your fingers. As you inhale, lift your hips up, up, up. Shimmy the shoulder blades closer towards each other. Relax your neck. Relax your glutes. Close your eyes for a moment. Come back to your intention. Take a breath in. Lift your hips a little bit higher. And out. Slowly begin to roll all the way down, one vertebra at a time. Grab behind your knees, rock and roll back and forward, back and forward. Ground both of your feet. Push the earth away and help yourself to stand up and fold right away into ragdoll position. Grab the opposite elbows and just sway side to side. Bring more weight to the balls of your feet. Bend your knees as much as you need here. Relax your head and neck. Direct your breath into your sensations. Release your grip. Soften the knees and begin to roll up to standing. As you inhale, sweep your arms up to the sky, mountain pose. Connect your palms. Exhale, plug the hands to your heart. Inhale, reach your arms up. Grab your right wrist, lengthen the right side body, and then go ahead and lean to the left as you're bringing the gaze underneath your right armpit. Breathe into your right side. Inhale. Exhale, try to go a little bit deeper. Then bring the gaze down, and I want you to roll all the way down, and then circle around, coming through the right side and then back to center. Switch, grab your left wrist, lengthen the left side body. Inhale, exhale, stretch to the right, bring the gaze skyward. Take a full cycle of breath. Inhale, exhale, look down to the earth, begin to fall down, circling around to the left and coming all the way up to standing. Beautiful. Heel to your feet to touch. Plug the hands to your heart. Inhale, sweep your arms up. Lots of energy through your fingers. Exhale, fold forward, Uttanasana. Bend the knees. Let go of your head and neck. Inhale, halfway. Lengthen your spine. Bring the gaze in front of you. Exhale, ground your hands. Step your feet to the back of your mat. Find a plank pose. Lower down to your knees and then lower all the way down to your belly. Inhale, let's find a high cobra. Straighten both of the arms. Lift your heart, bring the gaze in front of you. As you exhale, lower back down to the earth. Tuck your toes under. Push the earth away, straighten the arms. Stay on your knees. And then glide your sitting bones high and up, finding downward facing dog. Begin to invite movement into your downward facing dog. Bicycle your legs. Keep sending your sitting bones nice and high to find more length through your spine. Then find a complete stillness. Take a breath in and out. On the inhale, sweep your right heel up high, single leg down dog. And as you exhale, bring that knee to your nose as you stacking the shoulders over wrists. Bring the gaze forward, step your right foot in between your hands. Pivot your left foot parallel to the back of your mat. Inhale, rise up, find warrior two. Stack the shoulders over hips, sink nice and low. Take a full breath in. Try to sink even lower as you breathe out. One more breath here in warrior two. Straighten the right leg, send the hips to the back, reach forward, bring your right hand to your inner calf, send your left arm up, Trikonasana, triangle pose, lengthen up, spiral your belly and chest all the way skyward, and look up. Take a breath in, and out. Next inhale, reverse triangle, reach the left arm to the back of your mat, and bring your right arm over your head. Lengthen out of your waist. Take a breath in and out. Inhale, come back to warrior two. Sink nice and low. Exhale, bring the gaze down, ground your hands. Step back, plank pose. Drop to your knees. Lower halfway, chaturanga push-up. Hugging the ribs with your elbows. Untuck your toes. Inhale, straighten the arms, upward facing dog. Try to lift your knees off the mat. Exhale, tuck your toes under, downward facing dog. Inhale, sweep your left heel up high, single leg down dog. Exhale, left knee to your nose, shoulders over wrists. Look up, step your left foot in between your hands. Pivot your right foot parallel to the back of your mat. Use your core. Inhale, rise up, find warrior two. Sink nice and low. Inhale, lift your heart. Exhale, use your legs to sink deeper into your lunge. Holding here one more breath. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale, straighten that left leg. Send the hips to the back, reach forward. Exhale, triangle pose. Left hand comes to the inner calf. Right arm reaches up to the sky. Lengthen up, send your gaze skyward. Keep spiraling your heart and belly all the way up to the sky. Take a breath in and out. Inhale, reverse warrior, right finger sliding down the right leg, left arm comes across your ear line. Full cycle of breath. Inhale. Exhale. Next, inhale back to warrior two. Sink nice and deep. Exhale, cartwheel the hands down. Stand back to plank pose. Lower your knees down. Lower halfway, chaturanga push-up, hovering your chest. Untuck your toes, upward facing dog. Inhale. Smile with your collarbones. Downward facing dog. Exhale. Take a breath in and out. Walk your hands to the back of your mat, towards your feet. Soften your knees, roll up to standing. Inhale, reach your arms up. Exhale, hands to heart. Shift the weight to your right leg. Tree pose. You can kickstand your toes or bring your foot into your inner calf, or maybe try into your inner thigh. Avoid any contact with your knee. Plug the hands to your heart. Separate your elbows, lengthen the tailbone down, and ignite your core. Take a breath in and out. Next inhale, reach your arms up. Maybe look up for a second. Exhale, hands to your heart. Lower the left foot back down to the mat and switch. Right foot, toes on the mat, or foot comes into your inner calf, or maybe inner thigh if you feel comfortable with that. Hands to your heart. Activate your core. Find your gaze, your drishti. Take a breath in and out. Next, inhale, sweep your arms up. Mountain pose, maybe send the gaze skyward for a moment. Exhale, plug the hands back to your heart. Beautiful. Lower the right foot back down. Inhale, reach your arms up. And exhale, fold forward, leading with your heart. Walk the hands back to downward facing dog. Drop down to your knees. Let's take a few cycles of cat-cow. Dip the belly down, lift the gaze up, cow pose. Exhale, cat, round your upper back, chin to chest. Inhale, cow, soften, arch your lower back. Exhale, cat, contract and round your upper back. Few more. Inhale, cow. Exhale, cat. Inhale, cow. Last one. Exhale, cat. Pause here. Now tuck your toes under and see if you can lift your knees off the mat and just hold for 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Lower the knees down. Big toes to touch. Open the knees wide. Take a child's pose. Relax. Breathe in fully. Open mouth. Exhale completely. Roll up into a seated position. Bring your knees to touch. Hands resting on your thighs. Take a moment to thank yourself for doing something good for your body and health. With gratitude, plug the hands to your heartbeat. And let's seal this practice with full breath in. And open mouth, side out. Beautiful. Blink your eyes to open and you're ready to move into your day with a beautiful, positive energy. Thank you so much, friends, for tuning in today, for allowing me to guide you through your practice. If you did like this practice, just drop me a comment down below so I know you are with me. And don't forget to hashtag arise and shine. And I'll see you again with a beautiful yoga practice tomorrow. From my heart to yours, namaste.